Stars, born from gigantic clouds of dust and gas, called stellar nebulas. Gravitational attraction pulls these gases and dust together, forming clouds, and over time, some areas get denser and form a sphere of very hot and dense dust and gas, a protostar. When the temperature and pressure are high enough for hydrogen gas to undergo nuclear fusion to form helium, a star is produced. The star then enters a long stable period where the force of gravity is equal to the outward pressure of heat generated by nuclear fusion. The star is in the main sequence. It stays in this period for between 10 million to 10 billion years, where the star has now used up all its hydrogen fuel. Depending on the mass of the star, it will either become a red giant or in this case, a super red giant. It then goes through a period of oscillating between the main sequence stage and the super red giant stage as it fuses elements up to iron. Eventually, fusion stops and the force of gravity results in the collapse of the super red giant. The shock wave created then triggers an explosion, a supernova. During this period, temperature and pressure are high enough to fuse all the elements in the periodic table. What is left after this explosion is either a neutron star, which is formed when under high pressure electrons and protons are forced to merge, forming neutrons. Or a black hole, which is formed when the mass of a neutron star is high enough to cause further gravitational collapse. They have such strong gravitational pull that not even light can escape, making them nearly undetectable.